Hi there everyone. How are we all today? I hope that you're all doing well and looking forward to the weekend. I would like to wish all the 315 Jenky family members a very, very happy weekend. Hopefully the sun will continue to shine and all will be well. I'd like to just say a message out here to Tyson Fury. Best wishes with your fight tonight with Dillian White. I'm hoping that you'll win. I'm convinced that you'll win. And I hope that you both remain safe throughout the fight. So, family members, here we go. Another taste test. And today we're going to try Bisto. Do you remember those adverts? Can't remember the lady's name, but they were good adverts. And there it is, a classic cottage pie with minced beef and onions with a rich, thick gravy topped with mashed potato. This might be of interest to Paul K as well, if you're out there. It is made, it states, with 100% minced beef, and it is a classic. It's 11.5 minutes in a microwave or 40 minutes in an oven. Ingredients: mashed potato 53%, water, dried potato, turmeric, yeast extract, white pepper, minced beef 47%. Minced beef gravy 47%. Water, minced beef 14%. Onion, modified mace, celery, flavourings, colourings, vegetable oils, etc, etc. And the allergen warnings are for celery and wheat. And if you'd like to stop the video, and you can see that, that is all the information you need. This is £1, so I'm not expecting much, and it came from Home Bargains. And I've microwaved it rather than the oven, and there it is, in all its glory. So we'll give it a go. See what it's like, eh? Try the mashed potato first. Just your box standard mash, I suppose. Once again, it's a very nice consistency, but it's lacking in salt, for me personally. There's nothing blander than a potato. Right, let's get to this. Try it mixed together now with the mince and the gravy and see what we think. The gravy is very nice. You can see again there. The mince is edible. Yet quite tough. Yeah, The mince leaves a lot to be desired. I don't really enjoy these ready meals at all, but I suppose if you're starving, a pound is okay. I'm sorry, I can't eat anymore. Oh dear. I'll try one more, but I've just got a really nasty gristly bit there. No, it's not for me. Not even at a pound. As I say, I think if you were starving, you'd eat it, if you know what I'm saying. But that mince, my goodness me, that is awful. What can I say? Totally unimpressed. The gravy's nice. The mashed potatoes totally flavourless. The mince is as tough as old bolts. And most unpleasant. Most unpleasant. I tried it because I was asked to try it. And whether it was a joke, knowing that I wouldn't like it or not, I don't know. But no. If you see this, unless you've had better experiences than me, avoid it at all costs. I know it's only a pound, but goodness me, no, that is nasty. And I'm going to give it 2 out of 10, and that's being generous. That's just for the gravy. The rest of it is utter rubbish. Well, there you go, folks. Not everything can be 100%, can it? Thank you all for watching. Please feel free to click the like button if you've liked it. Leave a comment in the box below if you've had any of these Bisto products, and tell me what you think about them. Now, and the aftertaste is awful. Hit the bell icon for any future uploads. As I say, we're going down to North Wales soon, and there will be quite a lot coming from there. And I'm really looking forward to getting there. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It costs absolutely nothing. It helps the family grow. And that's it, I think, for today. So again, to all of you, the 315 Jenky family members, have a great weekend, and I look forward to seeing some comments from you all. And on that note, I will say Namaste, and may your God go with you.